Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right files into the system so you can work quickly and safely. First, import RAW or high-quality JPEG into your editor and set the color profile to sRGB or Adobe RGB. This ensures consistent color across devices. Once done, organize by creating a project or album and copy originals to a backup drive. Make sure to tag or rate your best shots with 1-5 stars so you can focus on the strong images for editing. Now you move into the middle of the process where most improvements happen. Begin with composition. Crop and straighten using a rule of thirds grid and choose a ratio like 16, 9, or 4, 3 to frame the subject. Then correct global settings, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and white balance so the histogram looks balanced and natural. After that, remove noise and enable lens corrections once those are solid. Use local masks or brushes to selectively sharpen, dodge, or burn areas without affecting the finish by refining color grading, clarity, and final sharpness while previewing at 100% to catch artifacts. Once satisfied, export using the target format, resolution, and color profile required for your output, JPEG for web, TIFF, or PSD for print, and apply a consistent file naming convention. If you encounter color shifts or strange tones after export, troubleshoot by soft-proofing, verifying your monitor's ICC profile, and re-exporting with the correct profile. This usually fixes mismatches between editing and final display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.